So what we will do, we will start for making the fifth part. So this is a thing. Then today we will write hi again. Then after writing hi, you will receiving a message like this. Just wait, they will give you a reply for that, and then you will click on menu. Then you will click on first, and then you will write E for English, and then you have to make to do this fifth part today we have to do. So we will write the 5, okay, and then after that they will ask you again that question that they are asking, they will write you. So you have to send that they are asking the questions that you have to reply, then you will write A. Then for continuing you will write super, then A, because you have to wash your hands for 40 and 45 to 60 minutes, you should have to wash, and then you have to wash to continue, you have to write it, and then they are going to send you this pic, so you have to make it sure that you have to do it like this. So you must have to read this. Now we will write next, then we will write mask, then we will giving you a pic, you have to read that, and then some notes. So you will write done, and then you will write yes, like this. You will write yes, that I will. So after it they are saying you to send the image, they are telling you that send us the image by how you have clicked the photo. So you will select your photo from your gallery, and then you will send it, okay, and after that they will reply that how you get to know, then they will reply like this. Then you will write B, you will write your answer like B, and then you will write 3. Why you have written B, because they are asking that should they forward or should they viral your video, means can they post your video on the Instagram page. So if you want them to post, then you can write yes, or I have written B, that no, I have only sent it to you, that's why. It's your choice, this is depend on your choice that what you want to do. Then after writing this you are getting this question, so you will write D for this answer. Then you will write yes. So you are getting to get some amazing volunteer links, and if you want to see, you must see and do what you want to do. Now you will write done, and then you are getting receiving some messages. So these messages that you are getting to get to know. So we have done this, you will write yes. So you will share your email, like you will share it that what email that you want to do. So you will share by which you are going to get your certificate. So this is my email that I have sent. Then I will write my name also like this, and then they are asking that is your profile name and your email is right. So you will write yes, it is. Then you will write E for English, okay, because we have done our submission, we are going to get the certificate. So we have done all the tasks, and then we have completed. So what you will do, you will write 10 because for buy, and then no worries. So this thing we have done our same of the things. So just think we can do, okay. So till this we have done this thing. Task number 5 we have completed.